Welcome to Byte Scholars. Today we will see how to install Flutter in Windows. So let's get started. Now open the web browser and search for Flutter. We will go to the Flutter's official website for downloading the SDK. Here you can choose a platform. Here we will choose Windows, and after choosing platform you can check out the system requirements. Go to the next section to download Flutter SDK, and currently Flutter SDK version is 3.13.0 as of today. Click on that and it will download the SDK. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Next step here is updating our path with the Flutter installation folder, so we can use a command line interface to execute Flutter commands. Our download is about to complete. We will locate the downloaded SDK and move it to the desired location where we will install Flutter SDK. We will extract it here, and by the time, like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, subscribe and share this channel with other fellow developers. It's completed. Now open the folder. Open the bin folder. Copy the path from above. Now hit the Windows key and search for env for environmental variables. Here you can see an environment variable. Here two types of variables, one for user specific and one for the system. Find the path variable, double click on that, click on the new, paste your copied path here and press OK. Do the same for the system variables. This is completely optional. Paste the path here, press OK again and again. Let's check it out. Open cmd, type Flutter and hit enter. It will give you a list of available commands. Now type Flutter Doctor. It ensures that you have the necessary tools and configuration in place to start building Flutter applications. If any required component is missing or misconfigured, it might guide you through the process of installing or configuring it properly. Currently it shows no issues are found. So now let's create our first step in Flutter using VS Code. We will install two necessary extensions to get started, Flutter and Dart. Now search for Dart, install it. I have already installed that extension. Likewise, search for Flutter and do the same. Now let's open a new folder for our Flutter project. Let's create a new one. I'll name it my demo app Flutter. Let's open this. To create a new project in Flutter, we will use command line here and we will open a terminal. To create a new project, we will use Flutter create and your app name. For example, here I have used Flutter create my app demo as an app name. It will start creating your project. Here you can see the folder is created. Our project is created successfully. And now you can locate your main.dat file under the lib folder. Main.dat contains the main function, which is the starting of our application. You can change platform from below. Here we will choose Chrome as a web platform and start running our application. You can also choose start without debugging, but as a developer you must debug your applications while you are developing it. It may take some time. By the time, let's have a look at our folder structure. So you will find a folder for Android related files. You can also iOS related files, web related, Windows, and for Linux and Mac also. Our program is executed successfully. Our basic application is ready. Here is a working demo. Now let's change few things and test it out. Let's change the app bar title. We will change it to my app demo. Hit the Ctrl S and your changes will be reflected instantly. If you face any difficulties or have any questions, mention it in the comments. I will look into it quickly. Thanks for watching. Again, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon and share it with fellow developers.